front of the building. We'll be going through the main lobby and then up to the unit to be able to show you what we have there in terms of views. And then we'll take a look at some of the amenities that are available with this unit, including the parking, ample parking, 3 stalls that come with this spot. So lots of space, handicapped approved, storage unit, separate from the unit, and a few other amenities. We'll take a look at all of those so you can get a chance to see how those are set up. I think from here, let's just go on inside. All right, and now we are in the unit proper. Entry brings us right into the kitchen. You see we have new cabinets, a little bit of a desk area over here on the far left. Also would work for an eating area attached to the kitchen. Large island, completely remodeled, all new cabinetry and appliances, flooring, paint, just about everything you can imagine has been retouched and or replaced completely. Track lighting throughout the unit here. We're in the main living space here. It's actually quite large. A lot of space from one side to the other with these quite stunning banks of windows flanking each side of the room, overlooking Denny Triangle. Views are pretty spectacular. Right in the heart of things. 3rd floor, so you get a little bit of an extra view looking out and around. On this side here, we have a main bathroom. A little bit of a linen closet on this side, and then as you can see, we have a shower, making this a 3/4 bathroom. Again, new cabinetry. In the kitchen and flooring in here, we have a guest 2nd bedroom. Again, with the same views as the front room. Floor to ceiling windows in here. Good size walk-in closet. Let's take a look at this. As you can see, it's got lots of space in here for the 2nd bedroom. Good size, probably a good 7 by 8. Over here on this side, we have 2 pantry closets. Take a look inside one of these here, and you can see essentially just utility storage, pantry space. However you really want to use it, of course. Same on both sides. Before we go into the master bedroom, I'll show you the utility room here. It has additional shelving as well as a stacked unit washer and dryer. Decent sized space here. Into the master bedroom, we'll go ahead and look at the main part of the space first. It does have floor to ceiling windows like the other side here, with similar views, and that's the balcony to this unit right on the other side of those windows. Windows do open. Cozy in here. We do have a walk-in closet, about the same size as the other, maybe just a touch bigger, maybe closer to 8 by 8. And the master bathroom. We do have 2 sinks, nice big mirror. This one is a full bath, so you get the bath with the shower unit. Again, very clean, definitely a move-in ready unit. We'll go over here and take a look just out here on the balcony a little bit, just to give you an idea of the size of it. The other way with the handle. Okay, and then as you can see, fairly decent amount of space here. Enough room to be able to step outside. Certainly room to sit up a couple chairs. All right, I think from here we're going to take a look at some of the other amenities that come along with this unit. Give you an idea, sort of what is all included, and continue there. And more geared at indoor entertaining. You have a common area here. Comes along with the unit. Seating, TV. There's a billiard table here in the back. Another TV, and then of course, little kitchenette area here. Fully equipped, ready to go. Overall, a really nice little area here to be able to do some interior entertaining. All right, here on the mezzanine, view of the Needle there. Nice rooftop view. There is a lot of seating up here, barbecue space. Entertainment potential is very high. Just a pretty expansive space here. Lots of little areas to be able to section off, do your own little private entertaining, different sections, different areas. Round over on this side. Another little area for recreation. Dog run for those pet owners. So great space for being able to be able to relax and just hang out.